Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Crypto.com price prediction in Crypto.com news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Crypto.com in 2022. Cronos (CRO) is the native cryptocurrency token of Cronos Chain, a decentralized open-source blockchain developed by the Crypto.com payment, trading and financial services company. Cronos Chain is one of the products in Crypto.com's lineup of solutions designed to accelerate the global adoption of cryptocurrencies as a means of increasing personal control over money, safeguarding user data and protecting users' identities. The CRO blockchain serves primarily as a vehicle that powers the Crypto.com Pay mobile payments app. In the future, Crypto.com plans to expand the reach of the CRO platform to power its other products as well. CRO went live in November-December 2018. Cronos was launched by the Crypto.com company as part of its vision of putting cryptocurrency in every wallet. Crypto.com itself was founded in June 2016 as Monaco Technologies GmbH by Chris Morselek, Rafael Milo, Gary Orr and Bobby Bao. Crypto.com continues to add almost 500 new holders daily despite recent hack. Following an extensive advertising effort that led to a significant increase in demand for the Crypto.com coin, CRO, the Singapore-based platform has grown into one of the top 10 largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world by trading volume. The number of new holders of CRO, the native token of Crypto.com, has continued to see a steady rise in the last month, even after the platform was recently hacked on January 17. Nevertheless, a total of 482 new addresses carrying the digital asset CRO were added daily in the last month, from January 16, when there were 200,466 unique addresses holding the digital asset CRO, to February 14, when there were 214,950 holding Crypto.com coin. There has been a gradual increase, according to CoinMarketCap.com. Crypto.com originally suspended withdrawals when users noticed funds leaving their accounts on January 17. Nevertheless, as illustrated, the number of CRO holders has continued to rise in the last 30 days, despite the theft of $30 million in assets stolen from 483 users' crypto wallets. Initially, the issue was first referred to as an incident, and the business said that no client funds were lost. Ultimately, customer losses were refunded by the exchange, which said that it prevented unlawful withdrawals in the vast majority of cases. Crypto.com claims to have strengthened its security measures and to have enlisted the help of third-party auditors to further analyze its overall security position. However, the firm did not disclose any specifics on the upgrades that had been made. Currently, CRO is trading at $0.4789, down 6.90% in the last 24 hours and 1.98% across the previous 7 days, with a market cap of $12.1 billion. In the aftermath of the hack, the coin fell as low as $0.3144, and now it has climbed 44% since then, and is currently up in price over the last month. The next news, Crypto.com coin CRO completes correction with significant bounce. Buying Crypto takes a look at the price movement for 7 different cryptocurrencies, including Crypto.com coin CRO, which has increased by 62% since its January lows. Bitcoin BTC had been trading inside an ascending parallel channel since reaching a low on Jan 24. On February 8, it managed to break out from this channel, and then returned to validate it as support 2 days later, green icon. Currently, BTC seems to be in the process of breaking out from a short-term descending resistance line. Doing so would likely lead to an upward movement towards new highs. That similarly to BTC, Ethereum, ETH, has been increasing inside an ascending parallel channel since January 24. What went wrong in the Crypto.com CRO hack? Experts weigh in. The Crypto.com hack is less than a week old, and still very fresh in the minds of investors in the space. In what was a brief attack, the hackers were able to access a portion of users' accounts on the platform and steal their funds. In this report, we ask a couple of experts in the crypto security space their thoughts on the hack, and what could have led to it. These experts provide insight into the attack, as well as how this reflects on decentralized exchanges, when it comes to security and control on the part of the users. Crypto.com 2FA breach. It is now a widely known fact that the Crypto.com hackers got in by somehow managing to bypass the 2FA security measures on the site. However, what remains a mystery is how the attackers were able to do this. The exchange itself has not spoken on the mechanism implemented by these hackers, so we turn to experts in the space to shed light on how this was possible. Gleb Zykov, the co-founder and CTO of HashX, a blockchain security company that focuses on smart contract code auditing, shared with Bitcoinist how the hackers could have gotten into the system. 2FA authentication is a security measure that is triggered when a user logs in, creating a one-time password that matches the one created on the site. 2FA apps are usually on the user's phone, so only they have access to this code. How then were the hackers able to get in? Zykov explains that one of the ways to bypass this measure was using a Trojan. Basically, the attackers compromise users' devices with a Trojan which will then intercept the user's credentials. The hacker is then able to access the user's account using the intercepted code to log into their account. 2FA can be vulnerable as well. The user's device can be compromised with a Trojan. The Trojan can intercept the user's credentials and the one-time password generated on the website. Then it can allow a hacker to log into the user's account or monitor the user's communication with the site. Gleb Zykov, co-founder and CTO, #X. This would mean that individual users' accounts were compromised as opposed to the exchange's wallet itself, which is usually the case. The exchange has since asked users to reset their 2FA and log back into their accounts. Brian Poffield, CTO at Fringe Finance, also weighed in on the attack. Pansfield explains that the attackers most likely found a vulnerability in Crypto.com's security system. It could even be the encrypted reserve copies needed for the recovery of accounts created by the exchange's 2FA software, the CTO noted. This would have allowed them to access and steal funds from users' accounts on the exchanges. As for the time of the attack, it was still unclear as to how much the hackers got away with. This report from Wealthier Today states that around $15 million in ETH was said to be stolen, according to a report from PeckShield. Others have speculated that it was much higher. Pseudonymous researcher Ergug posted that an additional 444 BTC was said to have been lost in the hack, bringing the total loss to around $33 million. Crypto.com corroborated this figure in a statement on Thursday that said that hackers had indeed made off with over 4K ETH, 443.93 BTC, and about $66K in other currencies. Crypto.com coin and our price prediction for the next couple of years is what we have for you in our video. When we look closely at the cryptocurrency market, we feel that it is doing quite well, rather, it is doing very well. As 2022 is just getting started, this is the perfect moment for some predictions. Any altcoin should be valued in the context of the overall market climate and performance of Bitcoin. First, let's see what it is before moving on to price predictions. We will try to answer these frequently asked questions. Is Crypto.com coin, CRO, a good investment? How much will Crypto.com coin be worth in 2025, or how much will Crypto.com coin be worth in 10 years? Price prediction for 2022. An impeccable approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Crypto.com coin will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2022, CRO is expected to peak at 66 cents. The minimum bet could go up to 56 cents if the market turns bullish. Price prediction for 2023. The value of Crypto.com coin will grow thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2023 is bullish. CRO is expected to reach a maximum rate of 95 cents by the end of 2023, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Crypto.com coin will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average CRO price will be between 81 cents and 84 cents expected in 2023 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum CRO price ranges from 81 cents to 95 cents for 2023.